Hi guys, this is Richmond from Critical Thinker Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to create a rain wash away effect. Today we are going to use Kendrick Lamar. So I click on your image, open with, and click on the Photoshop CC 2019. Now what we're going to do is select our character. So I'm just going to use the magic wand tool by simply right clicking on the quick selection tool. I'm going to find our magic wand tool here. Just click on the background to select the background and press right click and click on select inverse to select just our character and press Ctrl+J. And you see it has duplicated only our character but has left out the background. Now all you're going to do is just right click again on the magic wand tool and set our quick selection tool and select all the head. And once again I'm going to press Ctrl+J to select only the head, and to simply select the shirt we are going to press Ctrl+J again, click on layer 1. We have already selected the quick selection tool, right click and click on select inverse, and it's going to select only the shirt, and by pressing Ctrl+J our shirt is only selected because we selected the inverse of the head, and the inverse of the head based on our layer 1 is the shirt. So now I can just delete our layer 1 because these are the layers that we're going to work with. Let us make a duplicate of this one, and we're going to use the layer 2 instead of layer 2 copy. Click on filter and filter gallery. Yeah, you may find your suggestion, but what you're going to do, so the sketch, I'm going to use the graphic pen. As I told you this, make sure that your background color is white. You can just simply press D to reset it to default. Let's get back to filter gallery so that you can have, you see, before we had the white one to be red, but instead of that was because of the background color. Because we selected white, you can see that our background color has affected here too, so you can see white and black, and that's exactly what we want. So I click OK here. Now I can go to filter again, but this one stylish and diffuse. At normal you're going to see this effect. You can select darkening only, lighting only, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to select the anisotropic. Click on OK. Sorry, I can click on Ctrl+Z. Let's make a duplicate of our shirt also, and the same procedure. And now what they're going to do is click on this and click on solid color, so that you can get a face color which is also solid. Let us make it blue because we are going to have a rain. You can see that rain, you can use blue color to represent it. Filter gallery. Yes, let us convert it to a smart object. Let's use, I should have done this before. Let's use the solid color here, so I can use the soft light so that it will affect it. Let's reduce it a little. And here you can see that it's like rain is washing Kendrick Lamar away. And this is the tutorial for today. And here you can use this. If you use your own picture, you can use this for your background, or if even a flyer. Simple, and it is very effective. Using this as a background will be very nice. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also share it to others. And you have also created a new Facebook account, which it goes by the same name, Critical Design Designs. Go there and follow us. Like our page. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.